they will never beat Sundowns good by winning league. They will be game probably win against Sundowns, but not beating Sundowns is not going to be possible. So winning the league, it's something nobody in South Africa for now also winning the league. Sundowns while
if for example, if Coach Peter is called to Pirates, he brings his own technical stuff, team, right? When he goes there, we know why he's there. Whatever he wins, we know that he's supposed to go and challenge for the league. This is my point of the question, Uguti. Now with this coach, and I'm trying to illustrate maybe even to the fans, Uguti, now that you've hired this one, ongena pedigree win a league, uti agenzeni yena, mhlambe uzothola Kalingi, Nedbank, maybe because 4 matches, 3 matches, MTN, you can win that, but the fans also need to realize that with those kind of appointments of low-profile coaches, you must know what maybe the message you're sending is that you're not looking at the league. Maybe, I don't know, we never know. But in terms of his pedigree, if it was Coach Peter, for example, coming with his own technical team, if he doesn't win the league, we're going to ask questions. But with this coach, I don't know.
Yeah, I can be honest to you. There's no trophy that he will win, especially with the season.
Not with the players that Pirates have. I don't think the players that Pirates have, they can run to win a trophy. Because those players, Mkota, Umufukeng, Umaswanganye, Umbule, Umambasa, that's a very formidable team. It's the second best team in the country.
The thing is, in Kulego Mfeti hasn't the difficulty. What is so difficult in Kulego Wuti? Each and every team you beef up.
Abasondele Pirates in the Sundowns.
True, but
like all the teams,
Sundowns.
If it's Sundowns always prioritize, like Sundowns win a league last season. But prioritize the league in the Champions League Bebego final. So you can't blame them for that. They did well in the Champions League. They were in the final. They don't usually worry much about the smaller trophies. About MTN, Gonzagalani, about Kaling, about Nedbank. So Nedbank was won by Chiefs. Imagese winning Kaling, MTN 80 Pirates. So Sundowns, you always assume they want the Champions League and they want the league, and they will probably get it. So with the strength of the Pirates team, with the strength of their players, I can see them winning 1 or 2 trophies.
I mean, I don't think they will win. Everybody that will play Orlando Pirates knows what they're capable of. They're going to double up their effort. It's not going to be easy for Orlando Pirates. Yes, the coach that left, the coaching surprised, and there was understanding. The reason when you change coaches, you need to know everything is going to start afresh. So this guy also brings his own philosophy. Yes, he's got players at Pirates, but players. We understand. He might approach our game defensive. We don't know. We not to say he's going to do that. But Orlando Pirates, they are not going to be the same. They've got capable players. They can challenge Orlando Pirates. Based, a coach. They understand those players, especially Cesar Rivero. He could challenge Mamelodi Sundowns and apinda beat Mamelodi Sundowns. Marnai. How did he beat Mamelodi Sundowns? He can't even say. Because the way he was winning against Mamelodi Sundowns, the referees played a major role for me. Marleon Tame because it happens already. Marmina to you,